We have another HelloFresh meal we'll do ring. It's the one pot chicken, sausage, and bean soup. So I got the carrots chopped up and washed, and my kale is on the other counter draining. I have the pot in here with the drizzle of oil, and I'm actually using this olive oil with black truffle flavor to enhance it a little bit, but I got also regular olive oil in here too. Okay, so I'm trying to chop up I added some onions, red onions. We have some extra ones in the fridge, so I decided to just throw some of those in there just to add some additional flavor, as well as I threw in some garlic. That's not what the minced garlic. That's not what the recipe calls for, but I just decided to do that. And now I'm trying to cut up this sausage with one hand. I'm not very successful at doing this. We've now added the kale, the carrots. Hush, I'm trying to record. We're having the kale and the carrots, and then the sausage is on the bottom. So we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. If you hear some weird noises going on in the background, that is my husband snoring on the sofa, sounding like some kind of contraption with a cold. This is everything in there, the cornstarch. I forgot to mash the beans, it did say that, but we'll try to mash them now. If you don't know what HelloFresh, I suggest you do season it the way that you're used to. So I threw in some tarragon, we had some smoked onion and paprika, a poultry seasoning rub. I also used some ground thyme, kicking chicken, and Italian seasoning. All right, so we're gonna check on a little bit. You see how it's boiling? It smells absolutely amazing. You smell that? Smells good, just take my word for it. So we're gonna make sure we cook it through enough to make sure that the carrots have time to soften. All right, so I'm washing dishes while I'm letting everything cook over there. And we are a paper plate, plastic utensil type of family here because I don't like having to wash the dishes all the time. And when I tell y'all I can only find 3 spoons, we already have a lot, maybe 4 to 5 spoons, but I'm gonna have to buy more spoons. I'm trying to figure out where in the world are my spoons. Where are my spoons? Do y'all have that same issue where you periodically lose things? Like, where do they go? Do they grow legs and walk away? I think they're like socks. you miss sock pairs at some point in life.